blogs?
Sure. So for B2B, definitely LinkedIn and Twitter. You're right. Those two platforms really lend themselves well to people being receptive to clicking links that are going to take them off the platform, because they know that it'll either open up a new window or they can come back to where they were previously very easily. Now, something like Instagram, people don't go to Instagram to read articles. They go to Instagram to look at pretty pictures. And the fact that Instagram doesn't allow you to put URLs in your content makes it so you always have to say link in bio, and then you have to have a link tree, and then you have to, all these different steps. So if you're going to be promoting written content, then Instagram probably isn't your target platform. But if you are trying to reach that B2C audience, that's where you want to go to either Pinterest or Facebook. People tend to now use Facebook as almost like a news feed. They think that Facebook equals news, and even though we know there's all sorts of proof that that's not the case, all sorts of scandals and craziness, but that user behavior is, I'm coming to this feed to see what's new, what's going on, what's up. And people do want to click things that will take them into that kind of sub window within Facebook. And the other reason I say Pinterest is because Pinterest lends itself really well to being that search engine, and it's a very problem solution platform. People go to Pinterest, especially if you're a B2C company, for solutions to, what do I do for my daughter's birthday? Or I'm having to work from home, I need some organization tips. Or, you know, all my kids are now home for spring break, how do I keep this place clean? You know, things like that. Depending on what your product or service is, you can get a lot of traffic from Pinterest, because that's where people are going to find solutions, and they want to take that next step to click over to read more about your particular solution.